guys, today we'll be doing an oil change on the 2006 Yamaha WR450F. We'll be needing 10 W40, about 2 quarts or 2 liters. Even though the dirt bike only uses 1.1 or 1.2 liters, you will still need 2 bottles. You will need an oil filter. I'm using the Wix filter, model number 57933. A ratchet with 12 millimeter socket, an Allen wrench that's 5 millimeter, an 8 millimeter wrench, and another ratchet, and an 8 millimeter socket. Plus you'll need a funnel, an oil pan, gloves, and a paper towel. You would have to do an oil change every 5 to 10 hours or 1,000 kilometers. And as you can see, I'm almost past my limit, so let's get started. First, you're gonna be removing your skid plate, and it uses the 5 millimeter wrench. After that, let's get it started. So the first bolt we're gonna loosen up would be this one, but let's first just wipe it off so no dirt comes into the oil. After that's all done, we're gonna take our oil pan, put it right under the bike, and let's open this up. Next is the bolt right under the skid plate. Just gonna get that cleaned up real quick. That drain out. The third bolt will be this one right here. And let's clean that one. Gonna loosen this one, and that'll be our third bolt. Be careful, do not screw the other one out. Oil will be coming out of this one. And then we have one more to unscrew. Next is this spot right here where the oil filter will be. Now that this is open, just make sure that there is no dirt around there. And get out the new filter right over here. And lube it up with this oil right here. Just take it and just lube it up. There we go, just like this. Just lube it up and then just stick it in this way, just like that. And then wipe the cap. Leave the oil on the rings, or oil the rings, so they stay lubricated. Just like this, just there you go. And just put it on like this. And then just tighten it with a torque wrench setting of 7.2 pounds. And then the frame drain bolt, which takes a measurement of 17 foot-pounds. Okay. And the rear drain plug, which takes 14 foot-pounds. And screw in this bolt. Okay, and then got this 8mm wrench. I'll just take it very carefully. And not too tight, not too light. Okay, let's fill her up with oil. This would be the fill cap. And then we just put this in here and fill it up. First we're gonna be taking this one bottle, and which it would be 946 milliliters. you go. Good oil and just pour it in. Now, for the next thing, we're gonna be taking just a little bit off the other full bottle, and we're just gonna be pouring at about maybe 1.5 or 2. I'm just gonna look at that down there, right down there, and just see until it hits like 2. There you go. And then take that and just dump it right in here. Now let's idle it for about 3 minutes and then we'll check the oil level. Because last thing you want is that your oil level is low and you'd be driving. After it's been idling for about 3 minutes, we're gonna check the oil right up here. That's where the oil, the dipstick would be. Just open that up. Okay, pull it out, and let's dry it off. And there you go, and let's stick it in there. But don't wind it in. Pull it out again. Check it. My oil right now is at the half point. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more. And then, yeah, it's good.